Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Teacher Rhea, and this time we are going to discuss on binomial expansion. This is a pre-calculus topic. So what is binomial expansion? That is, how are we going to write the expanded form of a particular binomial raised to a particular power? So I have prepared here a simple expansion. We have x plus y, or the quantity of x plus y raised to the power of 0, that is equal to 1. Remember the rule? Na any expression raised to the power of 0, that is always equal to 1. Next, x plus y, or the quantity of x plus y raised to the power of 1, and that is equal to x plus y. Any number or expression raised to the power of 1 is the number itself. Next is the square. If we're going to make use of the concept katong squaring of binomial, we have x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. Okay, we are making use of square the first term, double the product of the two terms, and then square the last term. Then the cube of x plus y, x cubed plus 3x squared y plus 3xy squared plus y cubed. We have also the fourth power of x plus y, x to the fourth plus 4x cubed y plus 6x squared y squared, plus 4xy cubed plus y to the fourth. And lastly, we have the fifth power of x plus y. And we have this expression, x to the fifth plus 5x to the fourth y plus 10x cubed y squared plus 10x squared y cubed plus 5x to the fourth plus y to the fifth. Now, how did we come up with those expansion or expanded form of the expressions? So actually, there is this what we call as the binomial theorem that we can use. But I want you to try to look at on the pattern that is being shown. If you have noticed, our first variable x, ang exponent niya is in decreasing order, starting with the highest exponent or power of the given. So observe, in the fifth power of x plus y, tanawa ang exponent sa x. 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Diri nawala kay 0 man siya. And again, unsa gay value kung 0 or exponent kay 0, that is equal to 1. And for the second term or variable, ang iyahas ang exponent is increasing starting from 0. So diri wa siya nakita kay ang exponent niya kay 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. But the question is, how did we come up with the numerical coefficients? So that is the time that we are going to make use of the concept or ang Pascal's triangle. So, ang Pascal's, from the term triangle, so triangular number siya, starting with 1, and then we have here 1, 1. Kay, imo ra mag-i-add niya, kay, wa mo siya partner, so it's understood to be 0. Next, the next layer will be this 1. How did we get 1 to 1? So, copy. Actually, sa Pascal's triangle, tanang edge sa triangle, kanang murag sa triangle nga part, ang kani siya nga part kanang mag-form of triangle, always na siya 1. Then, how did I get 2? You just have to add 1 plus 1, that is 2. Now, the next layer is 1, 3, 3, 1. Nga naman. Again, ang pinakakilid, always 1. So, 1 plus 2, that is 3. 2 plus 1, that is 3, and then 1. The next layer of the Pascal's triangle is kani. Kay, 1 plus 3 is 4. 3 plus 3 is 6. 3 plus 1 is 4. And it follows na dayon sa mga next layers to come. We have 1 plus 4 is 5. 4 plus 6 is 10. 6 plus 4 is 10. 4 plus 1 is 5. Then, the next layer, follow na dayon na siya. Now, how are we going to, or unsay gamit aning Pascal's triangle? First layer or our first row, that is equivalent to the 0 power of x plus y. The second row or the first, natay 0 through, no? Karon pa ko na. Anyway, atong first row, that refers to our x plus y, quantity raised to the power of 1. Our second row, that is the square of x plus y. The third row, that is the cube of x plus y. The fourth row, that is the fourth power of x plus y. The fifth row is the fifth power of x plus y. And the sixth row is the sixth power of x plus y, and so on and so forth. So, pwede pa gina siya sampayan, ika-7, ika-8, ika-9, ika-10, and whatever is the unknown. Now, what are the use of these digits or numbers here? That will serve as our guide in the expansion of a binomial. So to make you understand better, let's have an example on this one. So for example, we have expand m minus or the fourth power of m minus n. So step 1, identify x and y, di ba? From our dara si Pascal's triangle, ang atoang first term is x, our second term is y. So, in that particular operation, mukuyog. So, the operation involved here, if you have noticed, is addition. So, kung subtraction diri kanang iyahang sign is mahimo na siyang sign sa second term. Mukuyog na siya. So, which means, we have now the value of x and y. So, step 2, use the Pascal's triangle fourth row. Nganong fourth row man? Kay our given is fourth power. So, which means we are going to make use of this one. Gamiton dayon nato ning mga numbers diri. Si 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. Now, unsay gamit ana nila? So, let's try to solve for the expand or identify the expansion. Expand. The expression, the fourth power of m minus n is just equal to m plus negative n to the fourth power. O, di ba? Now, nganong giingon ana man ako? Para mubalik si addition. So, observe. Laws sa integers, positive times negative, that gives you negative. Meaning, kani nga expression is just equal to this expression. Next is, gamito na dayo nato na si 14641. So, 1 times m exponent 4, mag-start man ka ni first term nga m, si x. M. Nganong 4 man? Highest power is 4. Plus 4, kay ikaduha dere is 4. So 4 times m cubed and negative n exponent 1. Nganong m cubed? Remember, atong m kay, or atong first variable, ang iyang exponent kay magkagamay. So magka less 1, less 1, less 1. While ang atong second term, ang iyang exponent magkadako. So, kay diri man ang 0, nag-1. Another thing nga imong bantayan is, in the binomial expansion, sa duha ka terms involved, first and second, ang sum sa ilahang exponent should be equal to the power of the given. So, the given is fourth power, so dapat 4 ang sum. So, 3 plus 1, that gives you 4. Next, plus, the next number kay 6, so that would be 6 times m squared negative n squared. Okay, so m cube man ta diri, so si m muto na lang, si negative n mag-add 1 ka. So ang sum nila kay 4 gihapon. Plus ang sunod di 6 kay 4, so 4 times si m exponent 1 negative n cube, and then lastly we have 1 times negative n to the fourth power. Now, check. Before ka mo continue sa expansion, you try to check kung sakto ba ang imong pag-create sa exponent. So, first term is m, tanawang exponent ni m. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. 0 meaning wala na siya. And tanawa sa ang exponent ni negative n. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Mauna inyong tanawon. Dapat ingon ana ang arrangement sa exponents nila. Next, combining it further, we have 1 times m to the fourth, that's m to the fourth power. Next, 4 times m cubed, that's 4m cubed. Yeah, negative 1 exponent 1 is negative n. A negative base, if the exponent is an odd number, kung odd 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and so on, the result is negative. Pero, if it is an even number, the result becomes positive. So, this now becomes 6m squared n squared. Kay negative n squared is n squared. Plus, okay, 4 times m exponent 1 is m, and times 4, that's 4m, times, okay, 3 add number man, negative n cubed, plus n to the fourth power. Next, combining it further, we have here, this is our final expansion. Negative man siya, kay 4m cubed times negative n is negative 4m cubed n. Then, copy lang siya. Then, 4 times negative na sad, negative 4mn cubed plus n to the 4th power. Again, check the exponents. Ang atong first term nga m dapat decreasing. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Ang second term nga n should be increasing. So, 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, if medyo maglibog mo sa naay negative, actually, in the binomial expansion, if the operation of the binomial is negative, I mean subtraction, meaning ana niya, the operation sa imong final answer is in alternate order, starting with a positive value. So, observe. Positive, negative, positive, negative, positive. So, inana siya, basta subtraction ang operation sa binomial. Kung addition, positive tanan. Kung subtraction, alternate. Positive, negative, positive, negative, positive. Okay? So, I hope klaro ra. And to make you understand better, I have provided another example. So, let's have another example on binomial expansion. We have here, you're asked to expand the fifth power of 2a plus 3/5. So, in this particular given, I try to make use of terms with numerical coefficients greater than 1. So, step 1, identify x and y. So, again, x is our first term and y is our second term. So, x is 2a and y is 3b. Using again the Pascal's triangle, we are going to make use of the numbers under the fifth row. Kay ang atong given kay fifth power man. So, the numbers in the fifth row are 1, 5, okay, 10, 10, 5, 1. So, expanding the binomial now, we have this one. The fifth power of 2a plus 3b is equal to, okay, so starting with 1, 1 times 2a exponent 5. So, nag-start at 5 kay, ang atong exponent kay 5 man. Plus, okay, the next number is 5, so that would be 5 times 2a exponent 4, 3b exponent 1. Okay, next is plus 10 times 2a cubed, 3b squared, plus 10, 2a squared, 3b cubed, plus 5, 2a, 3b to the power of 4, plus 1 times 3b exponent 5. Now, how did we get those expression? X na to, tanang first term 2a. So, ang iyang exponent dapat decreasing. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then for our second term nga 3b, ang iyang exponent dapat increasing. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And how did or diin na to gikuha ning mga numerical coefficients? Dara. 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. O, diri gikuha 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. Next is expanding it further. Okay, since the numerical coefficient of our variable is greater than 1, ato na siyang i-appeal sa exponent. So, 2 exponent 5, that is 32. So, 32a exponent 5 plus, that would be 5 times 2a exponent 4, kay 2 to the power of 4 is 16, a to the power of 4. Next, 3b exponent 1, so 3b lang. Kay any number raised to the power of 1 is just the number. Next is plus 10. Okay, 2 cubed, that is 8, a cubed. 3b squared, that is 9b squared. Kay 3 squared is 9, b squared, then b squared. Plus 10 times, okay, 2 squared is 4, a squared is a squared. 3 cubed, that is 27, and then we have b cubed. Plus, okay, 2a exponent 1, so 2a. 3 exponent 4, that's 81, b exponent 4. Plus, okay, 3 exponent 5, that is 243, b exponent 5. So again, Before ka mo proceed sa imo pa yung pag-combine, you try to check sa imuhang variable. So, si A dapat, kay si A man ato ang first term, dapat decreasing. So, si A, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Si B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, combining like terms now, we can now get this final answer. Now, giunsa na to pagkuha na nga final answer, dara. 32a to the 5th copy. 5 times 16 times 3, that is 240. Nya, a to the 4th b. Next, 10 times 8 times 9, that is 720. A cube b squared. Next, 10 times 4 times 27, that is 1080. Nya, a squared b cube. Plus, 5 times 2 times 81, that's 810. AB to the 4th, and then lastly, 243B exponent 5. And to double check our answer, si A dapat decreasing. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then si B is increasing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And also, you can try double checking your answers by adding the exponents of the variables involved. Dapat equal to 5. So, kana 5, 4 plus 1 is 5, 3 plus 2 is 5, 2 plus 3 is 5, 1 plus 4 is 5. Okay? So, in anaragid siya, you are going to double check. Now, what if you want to know, taas na kayo, like you are going to expand to the 10th power. Do we need to really expand sa ato ang Pascal's triangle until moabot sa 10th row? No. There is a process on that one, and I will be discussing that one on my next video. So, stay tuned or watch for the next video about binomial expansion considering nga dagko na gyud ang exponent. So, I hope you learned something. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe on my channel. Bye-bye! See you on my next video.